Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Word on Chromebook in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a Chrome tab and search for Microsoft Office and just click enter, and after that you can see the www.office.com. It says Microsoft 365. You have to just click on that, the second link here, and after clicking on that it will take you to this web page. And as you can see, uh, you can get all the Microsoft products, like 365 products here, like Microsoft 365 Copilot, uh, Word, OneDrive, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Excel, and PowerPoint and all. So for this video I am just going to show you how to install the Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Word on Chromebook. So for that you have to sign in with your ID, and you have to give your email address here, and you have to click next, and after that you have to just click on the Get Microsoft 365 option. And as you can see here, something says buy now. You can buy from here. You can also just install it from your Microsoft store, like you can just go into your Microsoft store and just search for Microsoft 365 here, and after entering, yeah, you can see there are multiple options like Microsoft 365 Personal, Family, Microsoft 365 Basic, and this also says Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can just click on download for whichever product you want to download, like Family, Basic, uh, or the other ones. So it's easier to go in the uh, website and just try for free and just download your Microsoft 365 application from here. And you have to, after downloading, you just have to click on the installer, run as administration, and you are good to go. Your Microsoft 365 and including all the apps like Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and many more will be installed successfully. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.